Ready, chickens, because this text is you.
I'm juggling clouds while the clock takes a nap. My socks ran away, they're mapping the gap. The stars formed a band, playing tunes with no beat, and my shadows tap dancing with invisible feet. Oops, here we go again, breaking the wall. You're still reading this thought you stole. My fish is back, it once walked the road with a cactus that sang in old Morse code. Pineapple trains and pudding trees, llamas surfing on orange seas. I'm sipping stardust, hurting dreams, reality's bursting at the seams. I painted my house with a chocolate brush. The mailman's a hedgehog who's always in a rush. The wind's got a playlist, it only hums jazz, and my cactus just married a pair of pizzazz. Plot twist alert, but don't ask me why. Maybe this song's a pie in the sky. Oh wait, scratch that, it's a soufflé instead, served with a side of existential bread. Pineapple trains and pudding trees, llamas surfing on orange seas. I'm sipping stardust, hurting dreams, reality's bursting at the seams. And as the story bends into a square, you're still right here, or are you elsewhere? Maybe this world's a figment of cheese. Either way, thanks for joining my breeze.
You said it. Banana skies and quantum pies.